Aquarius, welcome to my channel. Welcome to your new reading. It is a full moon reading. We have a full moon in the sign of Scorpio. So we'll have a look how Aquarius is impacted by this. The Aquarius Collective, Sun, Moon, Rising. This is general reading. It is timeless. Whenever this reading finds you, there will be a message here. There will be something that resonates. Take from it what you need, Aquarius, when you need it. Okay, so we have 6 tarot cards to look at. Messages from the Moon Goddess, Full Moon Goddess. We have 3 oracles to look at as well. So we're starting you off strong here with the Chariot, being in control, directing life as you see it, as you want it to go. You're making this chariot of life move with your mind. You're creating your own options, your own opportunities, your own possibilities, your new potential. You're very optimistic, you're very positive, you're very strong, you're very self-confident. You have that self-control, that self-awareness, that inner strength. So you're moving forward at quite a speed. Ace of Swords, a gift from the divine. This is an ace of clarity, truth, honesty, transparency, higher communications. Again, new options, new opportunities, possibilities, new potential. You will come across this on your life's journey as you move forward in your chariot. You are the King of Pentacles. You are grounded, you're safe, you're stable, you feel secure, you're dependable, reliable, you're full of integrity, you're feeling very settled. And we can see here as well the self-confidence and especially the self-worth. This is the King of Coins, the King of Earth. Now you are an air sign, but here you're working through the earth element that's prevalent here during the time of this full moon reading. You have the 7 of Pentacles, nurturing your seeds for the future, the seeds of abundance and prosperity, for a material growth, financial growth, financial stability and security, helping you to manage your resources better. The World, closing out an old cycle, beginning of a new cycle, out with the old, in with the new. It's time to switch directions maybe, pick up speed. Your chariot might want to go faster other than you're making it. And you have plans. You are the King of Pentacles. You're going places. You're strong, you're steady. Closing out the old cycle, welcoming in the new with balance and justice. Again, another sword of clarity and truth. But here we have also the scales. The scales of justice, making sure that balance is coming into your life, that your life becomes more harmonious, stable, relaxed, content. That's what you're focusing on right now, especially during this full moon. We have the One Ring Circus. We have self-reflection. And we have spiritual or religious community. So, you're traveling at breakneck speed by the looks of it. You are a wandering circus. That means you're mostly on your own. You're flying solo here, flying in that chariot, flying solo. And being quite happy about it. You're independent. You don't need anyone else's validation. You believe in yourself. You believe in that inner voice. You listen to that inner voice, that intuition, and you follow your own guiding light. So people may call you a wandering circus, but that is all you need. That is all you want, Aquarius. Aquarians look at life through a different lens compared to the other zodiac signs. So, very unique, very unicorn, independent. There is a lot of self-reflection going on. You reflect on your life, your situation, your relationships. Do you want to make changes? You can. But you are reflecting first and then take action. You don't take action without thinking about it first. It's not impulse decisions here. It's very carefully thought out decisions that you're making after some self-reflection. And here you could do with some support here, finding your tribe, a new spiritual or religious community. Join with like-minded people for friendship and increased spiritual growth. So your growth could be immensely expanded if you have the support from a new spiritual or religious community. You meet some new people, join a new group, and expand your horizons. It doesn't mean you're losing your independence. It just means that you are actually increasing your awareness. You are getting in touch with your higher self to see if there's anything you can improve in your life. Your consciousness is expanding, your awareness is expanding. So, it's a lot of potential, a lot of talent, a lot of skill that you apply, especially in your wandering circus. People look up to you, they find you fascinating, they find you intense, they find you charismatic, dynamic, charming, attractive, all those attributes we can give to the Aquarians. Sometimes a little bit too self-contained, not wanting to mix too much with any one group, but maybe, once a week, meeting once a week or once a month, exchanging ideas, giving emotional and mental support. That could be very beneficial for you, Aquarius, if you're so inclined. It is on the cards, definitely. So as you're closing out the old cycle, you could become a little bit more sociable, wanting to mix more with people. You want to feel a little bit more settled. You've been traveling on your chariot with your wandering circus for a long time now, but that can get tiring. And now and again we do need the rest. So, replenish your energies, take some time out, take a break, recuperate, see what's going on. Once you meet this new spiritual or religious community, see what you can find there and what they can find in you. Of course, it has to be a fair exchange of energies. So that is it. That is your reading for the full moon in Scorpio. It's been a pleasure reading for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Until then, take very good care.